Hello, good morning everyone. This is Diksha Singh from Chem Robotics. Chem Robotics is a database company which is catering its services to the agrochemical, chemical, fine chemical, and the pharmaceutical industry. And this video is dedicated to our Indian pesticide database. So I'll just go to the product section menu and I'll go to this Indian pesticide database. So what is our Indian pesticide database? Indian pesticide database is dedicated for Indian market and which can also help the product registration team. It provides the RC minutes meeting updates within 2 to 3 days of the publication. And here, the information is searchable by this means of active ingredient name, the company name, the AI. Apart from that, the already approved indigenous manufacturers, the already approved source of imports, the approval status, the approved source of import, export, approved source of supplier, the CAS-RN, the certificate issue date, the chemical class, chemical structure, chemistry, the CIB meeting number, the company name, the computer name, the country, the date of publication, the date of CIB meeting, the date of upload of document, CIBRC website, endorsement for the existing crop for which you are looking for, the file number, the formulation type. Apart from that, the GST registration number, indication, section wise, category wise, IPD registration number with the IUPAC, with the legal status. And such a way you can just filter this information. Herein we also provide the annual RC minutes meeting data. And that RC minutes meeting data can be filtered with any dates of your own choice. Like herein you can filter them on the basis of the dates for which you're looking for. And we have made this arrangement based on the feedbacks of many of our clients. Herein we also provide the access to the non-digitalized data, such as the RC minutes meeting updates published before 250. That is, the digital data is not also available with the CIBRC, and we have organized almost all RC minutes meeting updates published till date, and you can get access to it. So here I'm just gonna search this for the active ingredient, chlorant. I have to log in this first. So under this Indian pesticide database, we provide the approved product information under different categories, including the section 9.3, 9.3b, and 9.4 and biopesticides. So the product registered under the section 9.3, these are the new molecules of technical with their formulation, technical import, and their renewal. The product registered under the section 9.3p, which provides the licensing provisional registration information for newly introduced pesticide under the section 9.3b of Insecticides Act of 1968. Next we have is the product registered under the section 9.4, wherein we provide the technical indigenous manufacturer, the approved formulation indigenous manufacturer. The registration of biopesticides information under the section 9.3b and 9.4 herein we are providing. The registration information for export of existing new technical and formulation, endorsement information of alternate and additional packaging, the endorsement information for transfer of certificate registration, the address change, the company name change, and inclusion of information of new molecule chemicals in Schedule of Insecticides Act of 1960 we are covering. The additional information asked by the CIBRC committee to applicant in various categories as per the pesticide approval, such as the bioefficacy, the toxicology, chemistry, and packaging, as per CIBRC meeting publication. So on this platform, the user can select the text search field based on their requirement, like as I told you with the AI name, company name, and all these things. And the user can also limit and extend the search by this and an or functionality. So I'm just gonna start this with active ingredient, chlorant, eniliprole. So I'm just gonna submit the search. So as you can see, there are total 427 results retrieved for this. So the first one is from the company UPL. So herein you can see we are providing the original remarks from the CIBRC. Herein you can have a look at this. Also, we are providing the report, the entire report. So you can just download this and you can just have a look at this. So as you can see, this is a report which is downloaded and you can just have a look at this. So such a way you can just download the results, and for more information I'll just open this in another tab And here you will get access to all the basic information like the compound, the technical formulation with the IPD registration number, the CIV file number, the subject, apart from that, the basic indication of the compound, and the IC unit meeting number where it is published, the title of the authority, and endorsement legal status, and such a way you can have a look at this. And once I'll open to this with more information. So here in with the navigation bar, there is a navigation toolbar wherein you can just have a look at this. Like in case if you're looking for section 9.3 innovator or generate section 9 for information. So you can just tap on this and you can just have a look at this. And as I told you, this report is already downloadable and you can just download and have a look at this. So here we are providing this active ingredient name, the frequently used name, the date of publication, the date of upload, the document on the CIBRC website, the date of registration committee meeting, the date of creation, the technical or the formulation, the solo combination for which you're looking, the mechanism of action, section 9.3 information or 9.4 information, the category wise information we are providing, the computer number, the approval status, the legal status, and notes and original remarks from the CIB we are providing. And this is also downloadable in the form of Excel and you can just filter them on the basis of your own needs. And here we have another functionality that you can just limit or extend your search with this and now functionality. So I'm just going to limit this for the particular section for which I'm looking. So I'm just going to filter this for the section or category 9.3. I'm going to filter this for the category 9.3. So there are total 39 results for retrieved for this. And just to give the scientific information, you can just simply go on the AgroPet platform, which is our all-in-one tool for this. And under this original remarks section from CIBRC, you'll get to know the original remarks from that. And once you'll tap on this more information, it will get the access to entire information. And this report is downloadable again, and you can just have a look at this. So the other functionalities that we have is that here we have other filters. Like these are the broadly used active ingredients for which you can just have a look for the technical formulation, like for which you're looking. If you're looking in case for solo or the combination, you can just have a look at that and you can filter them on the basis of your own needs. Like category or section wise, you can just have a look. In case if you're looking for 9 for technical indigenous manufacturer, you can just filter them. And in case for a company wise you're looking, so in case I want to see for the company UPL, so I can just submit my search and I can just have a look at this. So there are total 849 results retrieved for this compound acifluorophene sodium, and you can also limit or extend your search with this and you can just have a look at this in such a way. Next we have is this, you can filter them on the name of the document wise, and you can also filter this for the endorsement type for which you're looking. You can select the title of the authority. Herein we have that you can filter them on the base of the registration committee meeting number. Like recently we have this 425th RC minutes meeting. So you can just have a look at this. Once you'll apply this and you will submit the search, then you get the access to this entire RC minutes meeting update. So here you can see there are total 1788 results retrieved. So this first thing is this trichoderma viridi. Here again we have this original remarks from CIBRC. I'll tap on more information and this PDF is downloadable and you can just download this and you can have a look at this. So here with this navigation bar, you can have a look for the information for which you're looking. Again, the source for the download of this PDF report, so you can just download this and you can get access to it. So this is a 425th RC minutes meeting update, so you can just have a look at this. Next up we have is this dynamic date filter, through which you can just filter this with the date of the CIP meeting. You can filter this for that. So this is all about our Indian pesticide database platform. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.